Hello, everyone. My name is Matt Ashcroft. I'm the CEO of Hyperion, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to the company and show you what we've been working on. Hyperion is building a battery swapping ecosystem with battery packs that can power your home and all your equipment interchangeably. This means that your electric lawnmower battery, which is sitting around doing nothing 99% of the time, can actually power your home for you when you're not mowing your lawn. And when you add a new tool to your arsenal, you don't need to buy a new battery for it. You can simply use the ones that are already powering your home and doing all the great home battery backup stuff they normally do, like saving you money on your electricity bills by shifting your demand, taking advantage of time of use rates, and virtual power plants. So far, we built a prototype from off-the-shelf components, and being a prototype, it does have its limitations, but we think it demonstrates our concept pretty well. So without further ado, please enjoy our demo and forgive our amateur videography skills. Welcome everyone to Hyperion's battery swapping demo. Here you can see our solar panels on the shed roof, feeding into our inverter and charge controller box on top, and the battery swapping station underneath. These batteries are off-the-shelf e-bike batteries, and they're charged directly via the DC power from the solar panels. The inverter converts their DC power to AC to power your home, or in this case, our shed here. First, we'll demonstrate the normal functionality you'd expect from a grid-tied solar plus storage setup. When the solar charger is turned on, the batteries charge and can be used to power your household loads. We have our inverted battery output wired to this outlet, and we're going to show how the lights turn on when we plug them in. When I plug them in, they get their power from the batteries outside. Next, here is our co-founder and CTO, Cell, demonstrating making a smoothie, also from battery power. But you can already power your house or shed with the normal solar and battery system. What makes Hyperion's system unique is that you can power your electric equipment with the same batteries. You can take a battery directly off the rack and power your electric bike, for example, and our system is going to learn when you normally need to use your bike and will fully charge a battery in preparation using machine learning. If you need to power a piece of larger equipment, like a lawnmower or golf cart, you can take more than one battery from the rack to power them. In the home system, you'll have 14 batteries in each rack, so you'll still have plenty of batteries to power both your house and your equipment at the same time. We've modified this golf cart to run off the four 48-volt bike batteries. We're demonstrating the concept here with the golf cart, but we plan to support tons of other equipment like lawnmowers, scooters, and motorcycles. They'll all use these same batteries, so you won't need to buy separate batteries for each of your vehicles or tools. And charging them from solar avoids the inefficiencies of converting from DC to AC and then back to DC. We also removed about 250 pounds of the original lead-acid batteries and replaced them with these four 10-pound batteries for an 85% weight savings in the cart. When you're done using your golf cart, you can simply return your batteries to the rack, where they can resume powering your home and being charged by your solar system. These prototype batteries have separate charge and discharge ports, which means you have to plug in a separate cable for charging, but our final product will use a common port for both charge and discharge. We've been really eager to share this prototype with you to get your feedback, and I'll share more about how to do that at the end of the video. But for now, I want to show you some initial engineering design of our first few product offerings: the battery pack, home and business swapping stations, and battery backpack. We've already started working with some manufacturers to bring them to life when we raise some funding. Starting with a model of our battery pack, which is similar in size and shape to the ones we have in the prototype, but much higher energy density at 1 kilowatt hour compared to 625 watt hours for the bike batteries. Our batteries will use the highest quality cells and will be capable of 3 kilowatts of power output each. The batteries will power your home through a wall-mounted charging and swapping rack like this in your garage, holding 14 packs, which is the same capacity as other popular home batteries. We'll also integrate some permanent storage, so even if you remove all your batteries from the rack, the system will still have some power. The rack will also be home to the brains of the system, as well as the inverter, but we're hoping to make everything modular so you can pick and choose exactly how much battery storage and power output you need, as well as some additional add-ons like a DC charger for your EV. We'll also make a battery backpack mount like this, which will allow you to power medium-sized hand tools like chainsaws and leaf blowers using our batteries. You can connect the tool with a springy cable leash, and we'll make adapters for existing tool brands so you can use the tools you already own. For a business application, like a golf course, you'd use a front-loading swapping station like this one, which can be scaled to any size operation. You can swap batteries in seconds instead of having to wait to charge, And you can use your golf cart batteries to offset your clubhouse and irrigation energy consumption. Your cart batteries can even work for you when the course is closed for winter. We'd like to support your course maintenance equipment with our batteries as well, and this technology is applicable to other businesses like landscaping companies, resorts, go-kart tracks, ATV and e-bike rental companies. Basically, if it's smaller than a car, we'd like to power it for you. Thank you so much for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our prototype and plans, and if you're interested, please check out our website at hyperionbattery.com, where you can sign up for our mailing list. We'll also follow up here with more videos on our progress and our plans for public swapping, intelligent energy management, and more. So please subscribe if you're interested in hearing more about Hyperion's development.